Day Philippines and Beyond.
I am Carolee Asusqueta.
I am Fatima Kate Nabiling.
I am Mark Anthony Hernandez. This is Ruby News, bringing you global stories, local headlines, and campus that matters.
Today, we look into the latest international shakeups, a tropical storm heading our way, Pacquiao's newest match, a magical return to TV, and how students are dealing with unexpected changes.
We'll be hearing from our reporters on the ground. But first, let's head to the global scene.
Things anchors over in the U.S. former President Donald Trump is once again in the spotlight. His controversial decisions such as aggressive ICE operation and ongoing tariff disputes continue to spark tension both domestically and abroad. With upcoming elections during political buzz, experts say Trump influence is far from over. Back to you.
Thanks, LJ. Now, let's dig in our own shores.
The country is still recovering from two back-to-back storms, Dante and Emo. Here's reporter Lynn with the latest on the situation.
Thanks, Kyra. After days of heavy rainfall and strong winds, Bagyong Dante and Tropical Depression, Emo, have finally exited the Philippine area of responsibility, but not without leaving their work. Several provinces were hit by floods, landslides, and power interruptions. In affected regions, classes were suspended for multiple days, and some communities are still facing cleanup and recovery operations. The NDRRMC is currently assessing the total damage, and relief efforts are ongoing. Meanwhile, Pag-asa warns that due to saturated soil, even light to moderate rain in the incoming days would still lead to flash floods and landslides in vulnerable areas. Stay alert, stay safe, and check official advisories. Back to you in the studio.
Uy, ano mo? Dry, pants mo ba lang? Oh, design lang dry. Ay, mukha mo. Tignan na nga, parang grabe ka naman. Kaya, mag-eskinal ka na, Tess.
New Eskinol Naturals Micellar Water. May rose extracts na nourishes skin and removes dirt. Gandang naturally fresh ka pa.
Oo nga, no? Ganda ko na. O, diba? Sorry ka na lang. Mukha ko ngayon sa loading pa.
Eskinol na all!
May mga araw na parang wala kang silbi. Kung nahihirapan ka, pwedeng magsabi, hindi ka mag-isa. Depression is real. Reach out.
Thankfully, we're hoping for clear skies ahead as Jenko at Joanne recovery.
Speaking of strength, let's talk about someone who never backed down in their life.
Here's reporter Mariel with the latest on Manny Pacquiao's return to boxing.
Manny Pacquiao is back in the ring. In a thrilling match last weekend, Pacquiao gave fans a true Warriors performance. While the results that the fight ended, in the throw sparked mixed reactions, there's no doubt Pacman still has the fighting fire. Filipino stays undefeated. Back to the studio.
Thanks, Mariel. Pacman never fails to deliver.
Now onto something a little more magical. Encantadia is back.
Let's hear from reporter Arjun on what fans can expect from this long-awaited return.
Encantadia fans, rejoice! The beloved fantasy series is returning to your screen. With a fresh cast and revamped visuals, the world of Loreo is set to enchant a new generation. The official trailer already has fans buzzing. Whether you're old school or new fan, get ready for magic. Anchors.
Lagi na lang siya nasusunod. Lagi na lang ikaw.
Kasi ikaw, meron mo kausap.
Ano ba yan? Gusto ko kumain ng chocolate. May ipan mo magjowa.
Oo nga, wala pa akong girlfriend.
Hindi lahat ng gusto mo makuha mo.
Eh, ba't ikaw nakuha ko?
At kung hindi mo makuha ang gusto mong tao, at least may choco-mucho ka.
Thanks, RJ. Now from shower boots to schooler opinions. With classes suspended for nearly a week due to the weather, students are now returning to school. Here's reporter Robert with more on that story.
The storm may have passes, but their impact is still being felt inside the classroom. With a suspension lasting several days in many areas, both students and teachers are now playing catch up. We spoke a few students about their experience during the student break. How did the long suspension affect your school?
At first, I thought it would be chill, but then I was stressed because of the weather.
School administration are currently adjusting schedules to help get back on track, while those also considering mental and emotional study, but this because the academic grind back is that time with our extra layer because residents back to your studio.
Thank you, RJ. Now, let's move on to our daily police report. Trisha?
Authorities have shut down a private residence in Manila City after discovering it was illegally operating as a murder. Inside, police found out the several human cadavers storing without proper refrigeration or permits. Police are now investigating the individuals involved and the body are being transferred to the accredited funeral zone. Public authorities remind the public that handling remains without proper facilities can lead to contamination and disease.
Thank you, Tisha, and thanks to all our reporters today for keeping us updated and prepared.
From global politics, storm warnings, boxing legends to the magical robots, this has been Ruby News.
Good day and stay safe, Philippines.
Philippines.